Heat. We all are familiar with heat. We feel it on our body when the sun shines. We use heat for cooking our food. We reduce the heat by adding ice cubes while preparing fruit juice. Sources of heat. After standing under the sunlight for some time, touch your head. Does it feel hot? Yes. It feels hot because the sun gives out heat besides light. Now you can understand why it is difficult to walk barefooted on sunny days in the afternoon. Heat energy can be generated by the burning of fuels like wood, kerosene, coal, charcoal, gasoline, petrol, oil, etc. Rub your palms for some time and then hold them to your cheeks. How do you feel? We can generate heat by rubbing two surfaces of some substances. In the past, people used to rub two stones together to light the fire. When electric current flows through a conductor, the heat energy is produced. The water heater, iron box, electric kettle works on this principle. Molecules in objects are constantly vibrating or moving inside objects. We cannot see that movement with our naked eye. When we heat the object, this vibration and movement of molecules increases and the temperature of the object also increases. In the second picture, we can see that since we are supplying the heat, the molecules are being vibrating and the movement of molecules has also been increased. Heat is an energy that raises the temperature of a thing by causing the molecules in that thing to move faster. Heat is not a matter, it doesn't occupy any space. Like light, sound, and electricity, heat is also a form of energy. And the SI unit of heat is joule. Now let us compare hot and cold objects. In our day-to-day life, we come across many number of objects. Some of them are hot and some of them are cold. How do we decide which object is hotter than the other? We use the tip of our finger to find out whether the tea in a cup has enough heat to drink or whether the milk has been cooled enough to set for making curds. We often determine heat by touching the objects. But is our sense of touch reliable? To know about this, let us discuss about temperature now. The measurement of warmness or coldness of a substance is known as temperature. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Now let us compare heat and temperature. We often used to think that heat and temperature are same thing, but heat and temperature are not the same thing. In fact, they mean two different things. Temperature is related to how fast the atoms or molecules move or vibrate within the substance, whereas heat depends only on the temperature of the substance but also depends on how many molecules are there in the substance.